Okay, now find the password and we can access to K user account. We need to write the SSH ID dash ID RSA ID RSA. Also, let me see, LSA. Just back here. Copy. Sudo nano ID RSA. Paste here. Copy again. Come back here, paste. Hit on X and save LSA and SSH dash IID RSA. It was username was K at sign. Our target IP address was 10.10.23544. And back here, paste. Hit on enter and what was the password? Password was BSVAX. Paste. Hit on enter and you can see we got access to K user account. You can write directory or ls cat on pass dot back and you can see the flag here. Copy and back here. Okay, what is the next question? What is the final password? Let me see. Yeah, this is the final password. And what is the name of the other user? Find K, right? Let me see. I think yes, enumerate, be done.